Hey everyone, welcome back. We have got a really exciting moment right now. Something's arrived in the post, and I've got my son here, Raheem, to kind of help me out with opening it. Are you ready to do this, mate?
Yep.
So I'm going to let him do the honors. So obviously, we hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and then you get the opportunity to go and order the play button. I've gone and ordered it. Took about 2 weeks to get here, and this is the first time we're actually revealing this. So apparently it's smaller than what you normally get. So we're going to have a look and see what we can do. So the first thing we get is a little bit of a film. This is like, who cares? We can throw that out the way. And there's a note. So the note says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th or your 1,000th? And Raheem's actually been counting down as I've approached 100,000. So he's like, oh, you got 40,000 or you got 30,000. And then you were like, oh, there's 3,100 to go about 3-4 weeks ago. And then it kind of accelerated up and then we hit 100,000. In fact, you were sat here just as it hit 100,000. Do you remember?
Yeah.
And it was like, there were like 2 to go, then 1 to go. And then it went back down where I lost 1 and then it went back up again. So we hit it. So we've got the creator's reward, and we are now... Do you want to take it out? I'll let you do it. I'll let you do the honors.
I don't want to, like, break it, but...
Break it, mate. If you break it right, I'm taking it out of your allowance.
Uh-oh.
All right, dude.
Whoa.
So here we go.
So, there it is. So shiny.
Big moment. I mean, let me be honest, okay? I don't do the whole YouTube and all of that just to get that, okay? I'm not materialistic. I'm not one of those people that is like, oh, I want to hit this target. It's nice to hit targets and milestones. And this is just something that actually he was more keen on me getting. But it's a nice little bit, a bit of an achievement. So something to kind of show off a little bit and showcase to people that, hey, look, we've hit 100,000 and we're looking forward to the next 100 and beyond, and who knows where we go. And I'm hoping that one day Raheem might take over the channel. Hopefully if he gets a little bit interested in websites and all that sort of stuff.
So shiny.
What does it say on the front? What does it say?
Web Squadron presented to Web Squadron for passing 100,000 subscribers.
And they luckily they spelt the name right. I was really worried. I kept double checking it. So when you order it, you actually have to type in the name to who it needs to go to. And I thought, do I put my name? Do I put the channel name? I was expecting him to be a little bit more happier.
No, I am, but I just don't want to, like, too excited because the cats are going to go sleep.
The cats are going to go sleep. Where are they? They're not even in the room, dude. If you do hit more milestones, you can get, you can go up to the gold and the diamond and the platinum and all of that. I think we're way off that, and I don't know if we'll ever hit the gold standard, but this is a start, and we're going to put it up. So in future videos, you're probably going to see it on the shelf. So again, I've said this before, big thank you to everyone who stuck around, subscribed, watched the videos, your comments, your support. It means a huge amount. Anything you want to say?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you too. Did you finish your dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure you did. All right, take care, everyone. Like, subscribe, share, and follow, obviously. And we'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time.